it's Jackson Storm for the win. A huge upset.
Neither Lightning or Bobby ever saw him coming.
It's one thing to start fast, but we haven't seen anyone cross the line with that kind of speed and power since a young Lightning McQueen first arrived on the scene.
Hey, Bobby, who is that?
That's, Jackson Storm.
Yeah, he's one of the rookies.
Huh.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. No, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey, Jackson Storm, right? Great race today.
Wow. Thank you, Mr. McQueen. You have no idea what a pleasure it is for me to finally beat you.
Oh, thanks. Wait, hang on, did you say meet or beat?
I think you heard me.
What?
Storm, can we get some pictures?
Yeah, come on, let's get a picture. You know what? Get a ton of pictures because Champ here has been a role model of mine for years now. And I mean a lot of years, right? I love this guy. I think I touched a nerve.
Welcome back to Chick Picks with Chick Hicks. I'm your host, former and forever Piston Cup champion, Chick Hicks. This just in, rookie Jackson Storm slams the proverbial door on Lightning McQueen. Oh, I couldn't have enjoyed it more if I'd beaten McQueen myself. Oh wait, I have. But enough about me. Here to tell you how it happened is professional number cruncher, Miss Natalie Certain.
It's a pleasure to be here, Chick. And actually, I prefer the term statistical analyst.
Right. So, who is this mysterious newcomer, Jackson Storm? And why is he so darn fast?
It's no mystery if you study the data, Mr. Hicks. Jackson Storm is part of the next generation of high-tech racers, unlike the veterans of yesterday.
What, old-timers like this guy?
Right. Storm achieves his top speeds by exploiting the numbers. I refer, of course, to racing data, tire pressure, downforce, weight distribution, aerodynamics, and next gens like Storm are taking advantage. The racing world is changing.
And for the better if it means my old pal Lightning is down for the count. Am I right, Certain?
Well, if I'm certain of anything, Chick, it's that this season is about to get even more interesting.
I'll tell you what, Daryl, Jackson Storm has